How to fix your out of uploads on ChatGPT. Let's get started. This usually happens when you have hit the daily upload limit, especially common for free users, or the system is temporarily throttling uploads due to high traffic. So the very first solution is wait it out. Upload limits reset daily. Just come back in a few hours or tomorrow and try again. Or upgrade to ChatGPT Plus. This unlocks ChatGPT 4 image tools and higher upload limits. Go to Settings, Plan, Upgrade to Plus inside ChatGPT. Next thing you can do is refresh the page or restart your ChatGPT app. Sometimes it's just a temporary glitch, not an actual limit. Likewise, you can log out of this account, create a new account, and try Ghibli feature in that account. Once logged out, you will be directed to this page. Now you can use Apple, Google, and generate a new account. In new account, you can easily try out the Ghibli feature. So these are some solutions for your out of uploads on ChatGPT. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.